I'm always asked, how do I do it? I actually have the recipe for anti-aging. First, I relax. Feel the healing infrared heat penetrating deep all the way to my bones. Minutes later, infused with warmth and mobility, I choose my routine. At least 3 days a week, I enjoy a variety of hot yoga videos, stretching and completely realigning my body. 2 days a week, I balance it out with resistance training. Just 10 minutes, and I'm building every muscle in my body. Often, I like to mix it up. Punching the speed bag is addictive because it's fun, and I'm getting quite good at it. At the end of the day, I can just relax, recuperate, and let all my pain disappear. So how do I do it? I just let them think I spend hours every day in the gym. For more information,